I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Sign into your Google account and connect to reliable Wi-Fi. Make sure battery is above 50% or keep the phone charging. Next, open Settings, go to Google, then Backup. Toggle Backup to Google Drive. This starts saving device settings, app data, and call history automatically. Once done, make sure the account listed is the one you want to use for restores, because restores pull from that specific Google backup. Now you manage what actually gets backed up. Open Backup Details and review the list of apps. Some app-specific settings require in-app export. For photos and videos, enable Google Photos Backup or export to an SD card or PC if you need originals. If your phone maker offers a separate cloud like Samsung Cloud, enable it for SMS or settings they cover. You can also create a local encrypted backup to SD or desktop for maximum control. Make sure to note any path. Finish by verifying that the backup completed. Open Settings, right arrow Backup, and confirm the last backup timestamp and contents. To be certain, test a restore on a spare device or after a planned reset to confirm critical settings and app data return as expected. If you prefer, export key data manually before wiping. If something goes wrong, backup fails, or items are missing, check your Google storage quota, ensure account sync is enabled, reconnect to Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.